Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to get alerts for new messages, offers, saved searches, or order updates? Turning on marketplace notifications ensures you never miss a deal. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to turn on marketplace notifications in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So what marketplace notifications include? So marketplace notifications can alert you about new messages from buyers or sellers, new offers or counter offers, order updates, shipping, delivery, saved search matches, and listing performance updates. So fast response equals higher success rates. So first thing first, open Facebook application, open the Facebook app, tap your profile menu, and then tap the three lines icon. So as you can see here, so works similarly on desktop. Scroll down, tap settings and privacy, then tap settings. Okay, so this opens your account's preferences. So tap notifications and find marketplace. Here is it. Yeah, okay, so all marketplace alerts are grouped here. So tap marketplace and toggle notification on, push notification. We have email, we have SMS, so enable push for instant alerts. Okay, so after that everything will be sent to your email and push in SMS. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.